let's make bread for today. I will make bread with my bread machine. And I will show you how I'm going to make it. And I will put below, guys, all the ingredients and everything that you need. And then, yeah, so you can make bread at home. Yes, it's been a long time that we didn't use this machine because we always buy bread. Yes, guys, we buy baguette, something like that, because it's easier and because we are not eating that much bread. But this time I'm going to make maybe 2 this time, and I will put in the freezer. Yes, guys, in that way we have bread always and no need to buy bread always. And palagi siyang ano, guys, na natutuyo, kaya very hard yung bread na mga binibili namin, and then nasisira lang, kaya tinatapon lang. I just throw 2 baguettes, guys. I am so sorry. Yes, ayaw kong itapon ng pagkain. That is why I want to make bread using our bread machine, guys. That way I can slice it and then freeze it. And that way, if we want to eat bread, and then at least I can take out 2 or 3 or 4, or it depends kung ilan ang gusto nila na kainin. And yeah, it's easier. You can just put into the toaster, and then yeah, voila, you have bread. Okay, guys, so this is our bread machine. As you all know, guys, this is the present. So this is the present, guys, from our dear friends. So yeah, 2 years na siya, guys. Mag 1 year? When did they? Yes, 1 year na pala ito, guys. Sa amin, 1 year na siya. And yes, still working very well. And yes, let's make bread. Okay, guys, so these are the ingredients of our bread. Yes, guys, but I will write all these, guys, in English because this one is in Catalan. Okay, guys, first thing we need to do is, of course, take this out, and then we're going to fill it with water. All the ingredients, guys, ilagay natin dito sama-sama, and then the machine will mix everything. 400 grams, guys, of wholemeal flour, and 200 grams of this flour, and 1 packet of this, guys. And then, let's put this one, guys, in here. Lagay natin dito. Okay, guys, let's close it. And then, let's turn on the program. Let's turn it on here at the other side. And then, 3 hours normally, guys. And we want toasted a little bit. So, let's put it. This one para toasted siya, guys. And then, so guys, it needs 10 minutes na ganyan, guys. Wala siyang ginagawa. And then after that, mag-mix na siya, guys. And also, guys, I forgot to tell you that it is my first time to add seeds, guys, like, yeah, sunflower seeds, chia seeds and raisins. So it is my first time to put those. And next time I will also put walnuts. Wala kasi akong walnuts, guys. And my pistachios. I have pistachios pero hindi ko pa siya na-peel. And I have to peel that para magamit natin yung mga pistachios natin from Iran. Matagal na yun, guys, from Iran. My husband can't travel. But yeah, we still have those pistachios. We still have teas. We still have saffron. Yes, guys, from Iran. Sana nga matapos na ang pandemic para naman makagala na tayo ng bonggang-bongga. Yes, guys, I really miss going out, but I also like staying home with my family, of course, with my kids. And I also love doing things like yun nga, making bread, cleaning, or organizing things, guys, for our house and all that, guys. But even if I do that, guys, hindi palagi tidy or neat ang aming bahay kasi pag naayos mo na yung isang side, and then when your kids are home, when Lakota is always with me, but when her sister is at home, and then they play, and then yun, guys, kalat na naman. Yes. But yeah, that's mom's life. We have to embrace it. And of course, we have to enjoy every moment of it kasi as in napakabilis, guys. Lumaki ang mga bata, and we have to take that advantage, guys, kasi maybe in a few years, yes, where did the time go? Parang hindi mo na maalala kung ano yung mga ginawa mo noon with your kids. So it's very important to spend time together with our kids, guys. And also, if we can document everything, then we have to document it in that way when they grow up. Yes, and they can see what they did before. My daughter is talking, Lakota. Yes, and it is my first time also, guys, to use my ring light, and it is really so good. Pero naka-off siya, guys, kasi iisa lang kasi yung saksakan, and I use that for the bread. So guys, today is Monday and we have food left. So yun ang kakainin namin. So I'm not going to cook any food. My time, guys, na gagawa ng bread. And also I want to make pandesal because Hailey loves pandesal so much. Para sa ganun, when she comes home, guys, this afternoon, she has pandesal to eat. Yes, for snack. So guys, ipakita ko na lang mamaya yung outcome or few clips ang ipakita ko because it's 1:30 already here in our place and I have to prepare our food. Ipainit lang naman, guys, but I have to set up the table, clean the table first because Lakota played the puzzles and many puzzles are on the table. So I have to keep those and then set the table and then heat the food. Yes, guys, para madalian, guys, I'm going to prepare na din yung pandesal natin and then I'll have to set aside. Hindi ko na ipakita sa inyo. Next time ko na lang ipakita. Yes. Okay, guys, so see ya. Okay, guys, so after 10 minutes, guys, nag-start na siyang mag-move and now it's moving and now it's mixing. Ayan, it's mixing. So guys, nandito na ang ating dough, guys. Nandito na. I covered already with cling wrap or plastic and I will keep this and I will set this aside, guys. After an hour, guys, pwede na. Hello, guys. So nadoble na siya, guys. Nadoble na ang kanyang size. So let's work on this one na, guys. Timbangin natin guys para isa ang size niya. So let's say 50 grams. Let's say 50 grams guys. Ayan, 50. Let's say 50. And let's make it like a ball, guys. Ganun. I will put it here, guys. Cool. This is perfect. I covered again, guys, and we will set aside for 20 minutes, and then we will put into the oven. So ready to put now in the oven, guys. I made 18 pieces lahat. Each pandesal is 50 grams. And our bread, guys, 2 minutes left na lang siya. And look. Oh, wow! Ayan ang ating bread. Yes. And then I will make another one, guys. Yes, yung plain lang. And my husband and Lakota are going to pick up Hailey. And our pandesal is in the oven. Yes. And then when they come back, guys, we will have a snack. So, in-off ko na siya, guys. Ka-off ko lang. And then I will take out the bread to cool down. So, ito na guys, ang ating pandesal. Looks so good. Hindi siya sunog guys, ha. Ganyan lang talaga siya. And, nandito naman ang ating loaf bread, guys. Mainit pa, as you can see. Umuusok. Yes, so yummy, yummy. I'm so excited to try this, guys. Kain na tayo. Hindi ko gaano makita guys yung mga seeds. That's why I cut it. Maybe I have to put more, especially raisins. Maybe next time I will try to make like raisin bread. Yes. So excited guys. Look at that. So yummy. So yummy. Yes, may seed dito. So yummy, yummy. Ito naman maliit. Nilakota. Ooh! Ooh! Mainit pa kasi guys. Pero as in na, wow. Crunchy. Masarap lagyan ng butter. Habang mainit pa. With coffee. Guys, I am eating my pandesal and it is really so good. Tapos, yung butter, guys, is salted. Kaya, as in na super yummy. Ayan. And, kain tayo, everyone! Ang sarap, guys. Very soft. Wala pa sinahabi. And the kids. Kain na tayo, guys, ng snack. May butter siya, guys. Na-melt na din yung butter niya. Ayan. As in, ang sarap, guys. Grabe. Na-melt na yata to. Still melting, as you can see. Kain na tayo, guys. So excited. OMG. Akala ko, guys, nagre-record siya. Hindi pala. Kain tayo, guys. Kain tayo. As in, guys, na so good. Oh, busog na ako, guys. Busog na ako. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Comment and please share. And hope to see you again with a brand new video. Bye!